What's up, guys? We have yet another no start vehicle here. This time it's on a 2016 Malibu. I've gone ahead and replaced the battery because it was dead. This is a vehicle that was towed in from another shop, so let's see what we find out, and let me take you through the diagnostic process. Alright, so starting out, the seat's stuck, so sitting this thing awkwardly, but I scanned it. There were no codes, but it does have a crank request signal right here. So, and the starter relay is commanded on. So since this car has auto stop, it has two relays that controls the starter. So let's start out by testing the battery plus circuits for both of them. So this one, as you can see, the test light's lit up. That one's good. And the power supply for the other relay is also good. So these two circuits are good. For the starter relay, if I jump the relay with these jumpers, that circuit is good too, going to this fuse after the starter relay before the starter itself. If I put the fuse back in and try to jump the starter though, the engine doesn't try to crank. You get the same result jumping the other starter, which it wouldn't make it crank, but it would make it do something. It would do something, but it's not doing anything. We have battery power present at the starter motor for the big battery cable. Now I need to jump that relay and check the connector on the starter to make sure power is being sent from that fuse block to the starter motor. All right, so I think I figured this out. When I went to unplug the connector on the starter, where's this thing at? Here it goes. I don't know if you can see it, but we've got a gray and a brown wire. Now looking at the schematic, that's supposed to be a yellow and green wire. And now if you look at the alternator connector right here, we have a yellow and green wire. So looks like they just happen to be same style connectors that are unfortunately interchangeable. So let me get those plugged back up in the right locations and let's see what we got. All right, moment of truth. Oh, hold on. Forgot the keys. All right, moment of truth. There you go. So there you go. All it was two connectors swapped up. If this video has helped you in any way, then follow along for more.